Let's learn numbers from 1 to 10. With birds, animals, flowers, stars, clouds, and many more. 1.
One little bird, a colorful bird perched on a tree branch singing joyfully.
2.
Two big trees, two tall trees with green leaves swaying in the wind.
3. 3 bright flowers. 3 vibrant flowers in a garden, blooming under the sun. 4.
4 fluffy clouds, 4 soft, white clouds floating in a bright blue sky. 5. 5 buzzing bees, 5 bees buzzing around a field of flowers, collecting nectar. 6. 6 shiny stars, 6 twinkling stars in a night sky, shining down on a peaceful scene. 7. 7 jumping frogs, 7 green frogs hopping near a pond, splashing water around. 8. 8 glowing fireflies, 8 fireflies glowing in the evening, lighting up the dark. 9. 9 chirping crickets, 9 crickets singing their songs in a quiet garden at dusk. 10. 10 smiling friends, 10 children holding hands, smiling, and playing together in a park.
Like, share, and subscribe.